Hello everyone, welcome to ARGO CD LAB number 8. Let's look at the requirements. In this lab, we're going to actually create an application using ARGO CD CLI, and this time we're going to have auto sync enabled, and we'll make sure that the sync actually does happen. The idea of this is in ARGO CD, your app configuration, services, pods, whatever you need would be in a Git repo someplace. And as soon as you make a change to it, Argo CD will grab that change and deploy the changes to your Kubernetes clusters. To do this, we will need access to a cluster that has Argo CD installed, and we'll of course need the Argo CD CLI installed on our local host, which I do. So let's go to another tab here, and let's see Argo. First of all, access to cluster. And it's taking a little time. So we have access to a one node cluster. Argo CD CLI is installed. Let's just do a project list. We only have one project installed, that's default. All right, so to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to do first we're going to list an app, and there should be nothing actually. Argo CD app list, and no app is installed. So going back to the instructions, we will run this command, and I'll explain the commands in a second. Doesn't like something. Okay, let's try to do this in one line. Server is this, and let's see if that does anything for us. Okay, that did it. So what we're doing here, we're creating an application. The name of the application is foobar-nginx. The repo where all of the services, pods, whatever you need for that application to work is in here. In our case, it's just an Nginx pod, nothing else, but doesn't really matter. You can put anything on that repo and it will get deployed to your cluster. The path, I'm not sure what this means actually. And the destination server is our default Kubernetes server, which is this. And the namespace that's going to install in is in default namespace, and the policy is automated. All right, so it is now created. I wonder if there's a describe command for Argo CD. App, maybe describe. Not sure if that's a thing, but I'm just going to give it a shot. Okay, it doesn't like that command. All right, how much time do I have left? 1 minute. All right, let's see. Looking into my notes here, we see the app running. You know what I didn't do? Oh, we're supposed to do that. Okay, so if we do app list again, the sync is, you see status synced. That means not only is the policy is automated sync, but it's all actually synced. So if you could describe, you would see all the configs of it. So that is done. Now we can delete the app by simply saying argo cd app delete name of the app. Yes, I'm sure. And it will delete all the pods and whatnot. There's no pod. And if we do a list again, there's no app installed. All right, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. I plan to do a lot more of these Argo labs because this seems to be new to everybody in GitOps. A lot of people have experience with Kubernetes, but not so much as Argo CD. So I will do those, and I will see you in Argo CD Lab 9.